Hi there, 7th graders. Mr. Kerr here as we get into week 14, and this is going to be called Decisions and More Comics. First of all, of course, go over the schedule for the week, make a schedule for all of your classes. Please go in and check your grade book. Make sure you've completed everything from last week and any other assignments you have out there. Watch this video, which you're doing. And just, again, make sure you have a schedule going for this week. We are getting near the end of the semester, so please stay on top of everything as we move forward. Again, we're going into week 14, decision-making predictions and comics for the greater good. We have 3 things. So we're going to be looking at these comics. Can comics change the world? So read through that. A discussion on these comics. So a little bit more kind of the political cartoon stuff, but also more on actual comics. Decision-making and reading predictions. You're going to go through a couple of articles, and so you're actually going to complete part of the assignment first, then read the 2 articles, then complete the assignment. So make sure you do it in those steps. And the weekly video is not, don't take it as a pretest this week. I don't have it set up to take as a pretest. It's a pretty specific information out of this video called the Global Village. Now, this video was made for people who are younger than you. I get that, but it does have some really good information. So what they do is they call it the Global Village. They create a village of 100 people. So they take the 6 billion people on Earth and say that this is a global village of 100 people, and then they kind of use the statistics from there to break down, nationalities, religion, health, different things like that. So anyways, you'll see it. Again, I know it's for a little bit younger audience, but this is the video we have. And then take the quiz. And the quiz, really, you're not going to have much information for it until you watch that. So that's your week. Again, if you have any questions at all, I'm not going to see I'm not going to see you on Wednesday. I won't be on campus this Wednesday, and I know some of you will be for hopefully the last round of tests. But with that, if you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks. See you soon. Bye.